Available now at your Moorhead Titan Outlet store. We have a used David Brown 1210 tractor in good condition with an estimated use of 4,520 engine hours. This tractor is equipped with a standard transmission, 12 speeds forward, 4 reverse, a 3-point hitch, allied 540 front end loader with bucket attachment, rear remote, and power takeoff. If you are interested in this David Brown 1210 tractor and would like more information, give us a call at 877-886-7010 or visit us on the web at TitanOutletStore.com.
Titan Outlet Store. Guaranteed iron at a guaranteed steel.